So right here, I have my Nintendo Switch Lite, but we're taking that away because we have something new, and it is a new wireless controller. This is an actual wireless, non-battery taking controller. Now, the reason why I got this is because my other controller started not working on me anymore. So, ignore this because this is a warranty sticker. In case something bad happens to this controller. So it's official Nintendo licensed. So we're gonna go ahead and unbox it. I'm gonna try to open it up with a key, see if it'll work. I did not get a knife. I should have gotten a knife, but there we go. Hey, I got it on both sides. There you go. And on the back, should be able to open it up. Yep, there we go. And there we go. Wow. All right, so here. Whoa. Okay, this is really cool. I like this already. Look at that. I like this very much. So this is an official Nintendo licensed controller. Really, really like it. You got your stuff, you got your buttons, everything. Feels very, very nice. Yeah, it's a little pairing stuff. So we're gonna set this aside. And we'll see what else comes with the box. Since this has to be charged, it comes with a charging cable. It is micro USB to USB. So I have plenty of charger cubes, so I'll be able to charge this. So, which is very, very awesome. So we're gonna untie this. The reason why I decided to get this controller is because this charges and you don't have to worry about buying batteries. So we're gonna connect it, of course, to the Nintendo Switch Lite. So we're gonna see, update on my game of Super Mario Maker 2. Yeah. So we're gonna go ahead and go to controllers, and we're going to change grip order. So now we're going to press and all right, and we are paired. Whoa, look at that. That looks pretty awesome.
Chris, 11.25 and change.
Nice. So here it is. This looks pretty awesome. I like this already. I love, you can actually see the blue light shining on the controller.
Actually, 10.25, my bad.
This feels so much better than the controller I used to have, which was a Power A controller. Now, the best part about this, I don't know exactly what it'll do when it's about to die, but when it dies, I had to charge it. So this saves me money because on the other controller you had to get AA batteries. So there's this little part right here, which you can actually see the battery. So
Chris, fireman cooks spaghetti.
whoa, okay, wait, what?
Chris.
Okay, this is cool. I like this a lot. So there's the unboxing of this. I hope you guys did enjoy this. Actually, since we're on the top of it, you guys can see I do have Mario Maker 2 for the Switch. I also got that at GameStop as well. I've been getting some stuff at GameStop, but not a whole lot. So So I was very happy that they had this Afterglow not charger, but wireless controller. So I'm able to charge and everything. So yep, hope you guys did enjoy this. If you did, make sure to subscribe for more, and I'll see you guys later in the next video. Peace out, Luigi's.
Bye.